How's it going, everybody? So this would be assignment 2 for our Gmetrix prep. So why don't we just get into it? You have your instructions right there in front of you. So we're going to go to our first step here, and that is for paragraph 1. We're going to go to the Layout tab, and we're going to go to the Page Setup Toolbox, right? And then from there, we're going to go to line numbers. Well, we got to put our cursor in there somewhere in the paragraph. So then we're going to go to line numbers, and we're going to choose continuous. So once the numbers load, you'll see that it's just giving us a line. It labels what line we're on, right? So that's what that does right there. And then we're going to go to inserting a page number, right? So for that, we're going to go to our Insert tab. We're going to go to the Headers and Footers toolbox right here. Header and Footer toolbox. And the Page Numbering tool right here. And then select bottom of the page. And then at that point, you can put in whichever one you want. And you'll see that we'll have our page number at the bottom. At that point, you can just close the header and footer. Now we're going to add a page background. Okay. So in order to do that, we go to the Design tab at the top. And then we're going to go to our Page Background Toolbox, which is all the way to the right. Page Background Toolbox. And then we're going to go to the Page Color tool, and we're going to select a page color. So all of these are, notice when you go to black, it automatically changes the font to the white. So all these are pretty bright, even with this, some of the lighter colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to More Colors, Custom. I'm going to pick a color, and I'm going to fade it big time. So now I have a faded document, or the color right there in the background. And that's how we add a page background color. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to encrypt this document. So in order to do that, we actually go to the File tab, right on the top left. We're going to go to the File tab, and we're going to go to the Info right here, and we're going to go to the Protect Document tool. So let's see here, Protect Document tool, and then we're going to go Encrypt with Password right here. And for this one, make sure you don't make up your own, right, in case you need to get back into it and I need to view it. So don't make up your own password, but type in practice 1, 2, 3. Make sure you capitalize that P. Then it's going to ask you to do it again. Practice 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I did it right twice. Yep. So there you go. Now it's encrypted. And for the last step, we're going to put an outline view in there. Right? So first we're going to go to our Home tab. So if you're not there already, go to your Home tab. And then go to your Styles toolbox, which is right here. And then we're going to go to, let's see here. Should have it. Well, we need to apply it to a sentence, which is outline view assists in structuring documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just put my fine text. I'm going to type in outline view assist. Oh, here it is right here. Outline view assist in structuring documents. Well, this is, let's see how many, let's go to the next result here. Down one. There it is. Because it wants it in the sentence, right? So here we are. Outline view assist documents. So now that we have that highlighted. So actually, let's do this. So we know it's at the bottom. So let's go to the top. And it wants a heading 1, right? Right now it's selected as heading 2. So let's just change that to heading 1. Your very first heading, whatever that is. Then we'll go back to the bottom of the page. Okay. So And we'll do it to the bottom of the page too. So just so you're covered on both. Right? There we go. So we got it covered on both. Then we're going to go to the outline tool. Outline tool. Let's see here. Which we're going to go to the Views toolbox or the Views tab. Right? And then you'll have the Views toolbox right here. And right there where it says Outline. Now we have an outline. Let's close the view. So that one's more so you can be aware. That's an awareness thing, right? Let's see. I'm going to close it again just to double check. View, outline. Okay, so make sure you play with that view outline screen a little bit. That's it. After that, make sure you put your header, insert your header, right? And submit your file.